Okay.
Take up something. Your fans. Let's see. What are they called again?
No, Liquor Lions, Rose Army. Rose Army is for Twitter.
Hi, Liquorose.
Liquor Lions.
Liquor
Lions. Rose Army.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? So let me tell you a secret.
What secret?
The secret is that
Guy. What secret?
I've always loved Liquorose.
Aww.
I think she's amazing, and I think she's a darling.
Here we go.
She has so much. By the way, should I tell you something? So I think Liquorose has so much oil in her head that there's a week I was like, we had like, we're in the same group for like a whole week. So we did like 5 tasks and I won 4 out of it. And that 4 pretty much amounted to like roughly like 3.something million.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What guy you said you chop money?
Almost 3%, because first of all it was Pepsi.
Was it that week? I'm not sure it was that week.
It was that week. No?
It was not that week.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
If it was not that week, then
Hey, it was that week. Oh.
Was that week now?
I think it was
One
the next
UID, Pepsi, Capital.
Yeah, O3 Capital.
You want so much, man. You made me so much money.
We made so much money,
She's a money bag. She got a money
we
bag.
made money.
Money. Milk. And by the way, congratulations, you guys. Liquor
Lions,
you
Rose
guys,
Army.
Rose Army, you guys are amazing. You guys, congratulations. I heard you guys just got signed into play management as well. So that's
it's our win-win, guys.
That's amazing. So congratulations to you guys. Not to her, to you guys, because you guys are the best. So
they are amazing.
You guys are the best. You guys have been supporting her so much. So you guys are gangsters. So so we're gonna have a good time.
We're gonna have a good time.
Yeah.
But we're gonna turn up.
We're gonna turn up. We're gonna definitely. By the way, we're gonna do a TikTok video for you guys as well. I've been wanting to do a TikTok video with Liquorose. So
yeah, we're saying in the house. We gotta kill it though. We have to kill it.
Yeah.
Which song? No, we'll take time to let the song
We'll
go.
take time.
As
and
in,
select it. Take time and select it. Very.
You can see, guys, everywhere.
Choke. Literally, like you can't force that. Like, as you can.
That's
see.
cross, guys.
Okay,
You know,
so,
you don't cross that line over here. This is a crossroad, man. It's a crossroad, man.
It's a crossroad. Don't kill me.
You gotta carry your cross by itself so you don't cross the line. It's a crossroad.
Oh my God. Liquorose, you need help. You literally need help. But how you enjoying South Africa though? Tell me.
God, the weather is amazing.
I know, right?
And this place is fine. I wish I could go to Joburg, but time. We gotta go back.
I know. We need to go back and keep catching that bag.
And you came back at the same time with me.
By the way, I'm here. I don't relocate though.
Cross!
From here, I go Joburg. I've relocated, man. This place is so beautiful. Like, honestly, the weather is nice.
Cross, they're asking you when you're coming to Anambra.
Anambra? Yeah. And December now. Shut down.
Shut down.
Indi Bokwenu. Hey. Indi Bokwenu. Hey. Indi Bokwenu.
Go to Edo State, man.
When? December?
No. I had to do that like ASAP. I don't know, man.
Yeah.
But not December. Not December.
When?
I don't know. We'll figure that out.
Time don't reach. Yeah, look at still.
Please check your bike. I'm looking for the champagne.
Champagne?
Yes.
You didn't put champagne. It's only
Okay, guys, back to
Hennessy.
Is she like?
Yeah.
Madu.
Yeah.
They said, Cross, is it true you're a virgin?
Yes, I am. I've been looking for the best lady to, this virgin me, and it's been a long time coming right now, and I feel like I really, really owe it to whoever is gonna disvirgin me.
Okay, thank you very much for that information. If you need, it just said something I can't say. So if you know you fit, it's right here.
Yes.
Send a DM to Cross.
Send a DM.
Cross, you're not okay.
Send a DM. I'll disvirgin you. You disvirgin me.
Please check your bike.
Okay. So back to our question and answer, guys. Cross is crazy, right? But he's a sweetheart.